Hi everyone, do you want to ask for directions in English easily?
Today we will show you simple English for asking directions when you travel.
It is very easy. Let's start together. Hello Henry, I am in a new city. I need to find the train station.
Hi Emma, don't worry. I will help you.
I want to ask people politely.
Good idea. Polite questions are very important.
Henry, how do I start?
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Say it slowly, please.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Very good. That is polite.
Polite means being nice and respectful.
Yes. Always be polite when you ask directions.
What do I say next?
Then ask, "Where's the train station?"
Where is the train station?
Perfect.
Can I also say, how can I get to the train station?
Yes. That is very good English.
How can I get to the train station?
Great. Both sentences mean the same thing.
What if I want to ask about another place?
Just change the place name.
Where is the restaurant?
Very good.
I feel nervous talking to strangers.
Don't worry. People are usually friendly.
That is good.
Smile when you ask. A smile is polite too.
Let's practice a full conversation.
Sure.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn left.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Correct.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's try again.
Okay,
Excuse me, can you help me?
sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the museum.
The museum is far. Take bus number 5.
Take bus number 5.
Good job.
Can I ask, is it far from here?
Yes, that is a very useful question.
Is it far from here?
Perfect.
What if I don't understand?
Say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Can you repeat that, please?
Very good. People will repeat slowly.
What if I want to walk?
Ask, "Can I walk there?"
Can I walk there?
Excellent.
What if someone says, go straight and turn right?
Go straight means walk forward.
Turn right means go to the right side.
Yes. Very good.
Let's try one more example.
Okay,
Excuse me, can you help me?
yes. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the pharmacy.
Go straight 1 block, turn right. It is near the bank.
Go straight 1 block. Turn right.
Perfect.
How do I ask about time?
Say, "How long does it take to get there?"
How long does it take to get there?
Great. For example, it takes 10 minutes.
It takes 10 minutes. What if I am lost?
Ask, "Excuse me, where am I?"
Excuse me, where am I?
Very good.
Let's review quickly.
First, be polite.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Then ask for the place.
Where is the train station?
Ask about distance.
Is it far from here?
Ask again if you don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please? I feel confident now.
Great. Practice every day.
That's all for today.
Use these sentences when you travel.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mastery in English.
Like this video and comment below.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.